Hello everyone, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Today I spent time with family, had a cookout, enjoyed myself, and had some fun. Then come back home, got things ready for the video. Now I'm doing the video. Hope you had a wonderful day. I did. Like I said, I spent time with family, had a cookout, and enjoyed myself, and come back home. For those of you that's new to the channel, I do collection videos here, and coming up, I got a new item, which I ain't got it yet, but when I get it, I'll show it to you. It should be here any day, and I'll show it to you. At the end of the month, I'll show you another new item, but that will be at the end of the month, plus the items I still have yet to show. Tomorrow night, I'll resume with a collection, but that will be tomorrow night. If you've enjoyed this video so far, give it a thumbs up. Refer this channel to one of your friends, relatives, don't matter who, long as you share the news. And always remember that each item is in mint condition. Mint condition. In order to have nice items, you've got to keep them in mint condition. Like I said today, after I got done spending time with family and come back home, had a good cookout, had some good food, and really had a good time. Had a good time. Um, Tomorrow, I'm thinking about watching some movies, getting caught up on them, and spending time with mom and friends. And relaxing. And if you're new to this channel, I do collection videos here. And always remember to always like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you on the next video, and bye for now.